In this lesson, I will explain to you about the modularity with functions. So see, we have learned that we can write down in void draw sections all the functions which we want to invoke. So here I have made one variable and the data type is float. X is the variable name. In void setup, now you know very well that you have to write down the functions which we can run only one time. But in draw area, you have to write down all the functions. So I have written here background, stroke weight, fill, and then ellipse. And how ellipse should move, I said x plus 1. So whatever is the value of x, system will pick from here. It will add 1 and then the new value will be 102, 103 and so on. Now, instead of writing all these functions in one block, in draw block, we can break it. This is called the modularity. We can break it and make our own function. So here I have made my own function. Here I have mentioned user defined function. The name of my function is circle because I want to make a circle, or because I cannot use ellipse. Ellipse is the word or the reserve word you can see. So void, circle, and then fill, stroke weight, and ellipse. And then how the ellipse will move for this purpose, I have made another function, and the name of that function is move. So how the ellipse should move, x is equal to x plus 1. Instead of writing all these lines in the draw block, I have made my own functions, and then if you want to run it, these functions will not run until or unless both this circle and move you have to invoke or you have to call in the draw area. So when I will copy this for you and I will run, you will see in our processing window there is an ellipse and it is moving, right? If you want to increase or decrease the speed, so you can do it here. If I say decimal 2, as I have used the float data type, so I can use decimal as well. So see, now it's moving so slowly. So see what I said here, instead of writing all these functions in the draw block, you can make your own functions, and you have to write down only the function's name, not the word void, only the function name with the blank parenthesis in draw block in order to call them or in order to activate or invoke. Now if I want to make two circles, right, so how the two circles will move? So same thing, I will write down this area one more time, this area one more time. So here I have written for you. So see, void circle, now I have mentioned circle 1, this is circle 2, and are the same features. How this circle will move? Okay, I will change it. I will make circle 2 should move decimal 0.5. So for this purpose, for x2, I have made another variable x2 and is initialized by 200 now. So see, now we have four functions. One is circle 1, move 1, circle 2, move 2. You have to write down all these four names here in the draw area. You have to invoke or you have to call these functions, user defined functions in the draw area. Otherwise, you cannot run your function. So I will copy this and I will run to show you that how these two ellipses will move now. So see, now there are two ellipses and one is going fast compared to the other because it is 1 and it is 0.5. So now it's up to you. You can change it. If I will make the first one 0.5 and then run it, sorry, 0.1. So the first one will move slowly compared to the second one. Right, so what you have learned in this lesson, modularity with functions. In order to write down all these functions in a draw block, you can make your own functions, and you have to invoke or you have to call the name of the functions in the draw area. Right, practice it. If you have any question, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.